Hello. This brief video is designed to introduce you to the idea of group therapy. Group therapy is a widely recognized treatment for college students and has grown in popularity in recent years. This video will address the idea of group therapy, any specific questions you may have, and encourage you to follow up with your therapist about specific groups running at your center. The areas covered in this video will include why group therapy, general information about group therapy, ground rules, common myths, confidentiality, therapeutic factors, goals for treatment, skills you will learn, and effective client behaviors. We understand that this is an unfamiliar process, and our goal is to ease any worries you may have. It may surprise you to know that research has shown that overall, group therapy is as effective as individual therapy. Group therapy is also considered particularly effective for college students. Since students are typically facing many challenges related to relationships, group therapy is often considered by experts to be one of the best places to begin to understand and work on those relationships. You should discuss with your therapist the details of what you might expect from group therapy. There are many types of groups in existence in today's college counseling centers. They could range from anger management, social skills building, student adjustment, stress management, and several others. Regardless of the group that you will be attending, there are several things that need to be considered. Please refer to your therapist regarding specific things you need to know, such as fees, location, number of sessions, and meeting times. There are several ground rules that need to be followed. One of the most important ground rules is attendance. Making sure that you are on time and stay for the length of the group sessions is important so that you can get the most out of group. Please consult your therapist for further information regarding this. As a client, you need to take an active role in therapy. This includes such things as active listening and participating by asking questions. Oftentimes in group therapy, clients may be confused about what is going on for the first few sessions, but studies have shown that if they stick it out, they will end up benefiting from it. Confidentiality is an extremely important part of any type of therapy. To keep each other safe, you are asked to maintain the confidentiality of what is said in group. Please consult your therapist regarding their confidentiality policies. Remember that others attending group have the same general issues and can be a great source of support. Also, remember to trust the therapeutic process. As group progresses, you may be asked to work on the issue that brings you to therapy. The group leader will be there to create a safe environment in which you can learn more about yourself and others. Opportunities for you to grow will always be there. Additionally, know that just as you can learn from others in the group, they can learn from you. The goal of group therapy is to raise your awareness level of the issue that's impacting you and gradually move you towards change. With this in mind, know that you will likely change throughout the course of group. Depending on the group you attend, different skills will be learned. In some groups, you may learn more effective ways of dealing with relationships, while in others, you may find out how to cope without the use of alcohol. You will also be asked to challenge yourself and take risks. It is important in any group that you're joining that you seek your own personal growth. You may want to start sharing a little of yourself at first, and as you feel comfortable, gradually open up more to the group. Make sure to consult with your therapist to see what group is right for you, depending on the specific needs you have. Although there are different groups that require different behaviors from clients, generally speaking, successful client behaviors include good attendance, maintaining confidentiality, learning what is expected in the groups, and being motivated towards your growth and the growth of others. These are all areas that your therapist will go over with you prior to the start of group. Be sure to ask how the issues you are dealing with might be treated with group therapy. In some cases, group therapy is the ideal place to address your issues, while different issues may be more suited for other types of therapy. A lot of information has been presented to you, and you may have had some questions throughout the course of the video. Your therapist will address any of these concerns. Thank you for your time and attention, and best of luck in group therapy.